Christina, and I'm going to be talking about the chemistry behind hydrocarbons used as fuel, specifically propane gas used in barbecues and camping stoves. Propane gas is a gas that produces a fuel or energy and thermal source that allows you to cook, grill, and warm food up. Propane gas generally comes in a tank such as this one, in which the gas is compressed. Propane gas is a hydrocarbon, which means it is only made up of carbon and hydrogen. Its chemical formula is C3H8. In order for the gas to produce a light and thermal energy, it requires oxygen. The oxygen can be found in the air around it, and since oxygen is a diatomic atom, its chemical formula is O2. When the propane gas is released and heat is added, it is able to react with the oxygen around it to form a complete combustion. The products of a complete combustion are carbon dioxide and water, whose formulas are CO2 and H2O. The full balanced equation for this chemical reaction is C3H8 plus the 5O2, which produces 3 CO2 and 4 H2O. As you can see, there is light and thermal energy being produced. There is also carbon dioxide and water vapor. If we waited long enough, we would be able to see the water droplets forming on the side of the can, since the water vapor would condense on the side and form a liquid. Barbecues use a similar system in which the propane gas escapes the tank, travels through the tubes to the top of the barbecue. Here it is exposed to oxygen and undergoes a complete combustion, where it is able to create the thermal energy needed to cook and grill the food. Even though propane is a common fuel that is used in everyday life, it is still highly dangerous, and certain tanks even include warning signs, such as flammable and explosive, due to its ability to burn when exposed to oxygen. Propane gas can also be dangerous because when there is an insufficient amount of oxygen, it can undergo an incomplete combustion. This means that there isn't enough oxygen to bond with the chemicals, and the products of the reaction are carbon monoxide and water. Carbon monoxide is highly dangerous and can be toxic to a person. Propane is a great example of a hydrocarbon used as a fuel. It helps us to cook and grill our food. It's a great example of chemistry in our everyday lives.